Three reasons why you will never be lucky to be rich. Reason number one, you will never be lucky because you are looking for some rich quick scheme, or you're looking for something to be fixed as quickly as possible. So that's why you will never become rich. You see, rich people do not look for rich quick scheme. It's the poor and middle class people who always look for rich quick scheme, because they don't want to play that, they don't want to put that kind of an effort, they don't want to work hard towards it, and they want to earn so much of money overnight. Reason number two, you buy lottery ticket, or you play online lotto, or maybe you play that Dream 11, or maybe you play a jungly rummy, thinking that just by putting my money I will be able to get my 10 to 100 times return, which is not going to happen. Maybe you might have won it once or twice, but after 100, 200 or 300 attempts, still you will not be able to recover that particular money, because it's the mindset of poor and middle class who think that buying lottery will make me rich. And if you see on the other end, what are you saying subconsciously, which runs behind your mind, is that you do not have an ability to earn like millions of dollars. So that's why you are trying your luck to becoming rich. So you're saying yourself that you do not have the ability to earn as much of money you want, or to achieve that dream life. This is what you're saying subconsciously. That's why you're playing that, or like buying that lottery ticket. And on the other side, if you see, is the rich people who create an app, where the poor and middle class people who consume that particular app by putting their money. Reason number three, you are looking for Superman to come and rescue you. You see, my friend, life is do it yourself. Nobody is going to come and rescue you. Nobody is going to come and help you in your life to build your dreams or live the life, the kind of a life you want. It's you who need to clean your own shit. It's up to you if you want to clean your own shit, or if you want to stay in the shit and stink till you die, or get up right now and clean your shit. The choice is yours. And towards the end, I want to share one thing is, how can you become really lucky? When you will start working hard towards your dream, when you will work so hard towards your dream, and when your hard work meets your opportunity, that's when you will become lucky, and that's when you will be called as a lucky, my friend. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead and click the like button right now, and also subscribe to my channel. I know there are so many people who are watching this video and not subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.